Cheerful morning to my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, today I will be taking up notebook work of chapter 3, which we read yesterday, and with the hope that all of you understood the chapter well and you had also completed your back exercises. So, children, before I start my work, let's have a quick recap of what was there in this chapter. The name of the chapter was Come Back, Mr. Sun. So, in this chapter, we read that Mr. Sun means Sun was not in the mood to shine. He wanted to take rest. So, it was a Sunday and he took rest and he went back. And when he went back behind the clouds, what was there? A totally blackout was there, and all the birds, flowers, and even people all were worried about what will happen and why Mr. Sun has gone back. Now what will happen? So everything was at a halt and everyone was in tension. But only one person was happy. And who was he? He was Mr. Ice, Mr. Snow. Ice means snow here. So Mr. Snow was very happy. He said, now I will be on earth and I will make the earth very, very cold. And Mr. Sun cannot melt me. So it happened, there was a heavy snowfall and it was too cold on the earth. But after taking rest, after some time, when Mr. Sun thought, let me see what's happening down on the earth. And when he peeped down, he was in tension. He saw everything was at halt and the weather was too cold and everyone was worried. So he decided to shine back. So he came back, and when he came back, Mr. Snow had to go back and rest all birds, flowers, people. Everyone was back with their routines. The flowers started blooming and everyone was happy when Mr. Sun came back. So this was all in the story. Now children, please open your notebooks so that we can do the notebook work. First of all, we will be doing the new words. But before that, as usual, have the date, day and class work on the top. Chapter 3, Come Back, Mr. Sun, new words. 10 words are there for you. First is afraid, A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Second is hollow, H-O-L-L-O-W, hollow. Third is scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Fourth, melt, M-E-L-T, melt. Fifth, freezes, F-R-E-E-Z-E-Z-S. Sixth, shocked, S-H-O-C-K-E-D, shocked. Seventh, stand still, S-T-N-D, stand, S-T-I-L-L, still. Eighth, shining, S-H-I-N-I-N-G, shining. Ninth, decides, D-E-C-I-D-E-S. 10th, holiday, H-O-L-I, holly, D-A-Y, day, holiday. Now children, after this again you will take out a new page. Same way you will write your date, day and classwork. Chapter 3, Come Back, Mr. Sun, word meanings. 4 word meanings are there. First, hollow of a tree, a large hole in the trunk of a tree. Second, stand still. Here, stop. But it's still S-T-I-L-L. It's not T, it's still S-T-I-L-L, still. Third is shocked. Here, surprised and sad. Fourth is scared, fearful. Now children, on the next page, again you will write the date, day, classwork, name of the chapter, chapter number and third line. Frame sentences. Instead of word meaning, you will write frame sentences and it will be your homework. You have to do it as homework. Now I am moving on to the question answer. Same way, new page, date, day, classwork to be written. Heading chapter 3, Come Back, Mr. Sun, question answers. Here goes your question answers. Question number 1. What did the pigeon say to her chicks? The pigeon told her chicks that it was dark outside and she won't be able to find food for them. After answer 1, we all will draw an ending line here. Question number 2. What did the girl want to do? The girl wanted to play football. Again, after answer 2, it's an ending line. Question number 3. How did Mr. Sun feel when everything came to a stop? Answer 3. Mr. Sun was shocked to see that life had come to a stop and realized that he should shine again. Again, after answer 3, it's an ending line. Moving on to question number 4. When did the flowers begin to smile? The flowers began to smile when Mr. Sun came out. Again, after answer 4, it's an ending line. Question number 5. What did the squirrel do when Mr. Sun came out? The squirrels began to jump and play when Mr. Sun came out. So, again, an ending line. And with this, we come to an end of the chapter. And with the hope that all of you will do your work neatly and send me for checking as soon as possible, I end my today's work. Thank you all. God bless you. Stay blessed.